fishing today. Have any comments on how it's going so far?
It's getting kind of rough right now. Good start, but it's getting rough.
Yeah, well, midday fishing isn't really the best all the time, especially when the sun's out. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a keeper in Dad's book. Yeah.
Let me know if there's any fish down here. Well, the fishing sucked, mainly because it's kind of windy, just too sunny. We want a nice overcast day when you go fishing, but it's too sunny, a little too warm out. What have you got to say?
What have I got to say?
Yeah.
Not much. It'd be nice if we could get some slabbers.
Just spending the day kind of chilling, doing some laundry, uploaded the vlog for today. Fun stuff, right? Well, that's pretty much the vlog for today. Not much going on today. I didn't actually think when I put that camera below the water while we were moving, there was like a lot of fish there. A lot of small bluegill, but that was pretty cool looking. Just letting our dog out to go to the bathroom. Doug. His name's Doug. I don't know what kind of dog he is. Hi. Yes, our backyard area here. Got a little fire pit area. And pretty big backyard. We need to mow the grass. I think this is actually the first time I've stepped outside to the backyard since I've been here. But I don't know, there's like a deck here. Pretty good sized deck. But with 3 guys living in the house, there's really no need to fancy it up at all. Alright, thanks for watching today's vlog. I gotta get up early tomorrow. It's gonna be a long weekend, and you'll find out why. So I'll get you guys tomorrow. Alright. Doug, say bye. Say bye, Doug. Say bye.